how to make your own Discord server tag. So if you want to make your own Discord server tag, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Discord, and then first you need to go to the server you own with the Server Boost channel. Now in my case, I have Server Boost right here. You need to click on the Server Boost. Then go on to the Server Boost channel, go to additional perks, which will be on the bottom right here. And then you will have the server tag. You can enable the server tag, or you can make your own Discord server tag by some coins. But this requires Boost. But you will also have another way to get tags for free. So what you can do is simply go with the channel, which is in the description. And once you go with the channel, as you can see that you will have a lot of server tags right here, which are basically for free. So there are more than 700 plus free tags for you to choose from. Just go to any server tag that you are comfortable with, and then just click on the server tag that you want. Like for example, I'll go with this one, and you will have an option of add tag to your link. So you just need to simply go with the tag, and here you'll be able to have free server tags. But in order to make your own server tag, it's not for free. You need to just go with the Server Boost, and then here under additional perks, you need to just go with server tag and then go with enable and follow the prompts, or just add your payment methods and then pay and continue, and you'll be able to create your own server tag. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.